Jeff, don't laugh.
Alright.
Jeff! Don't.
YouTube.
Oh,
I don't know why I said that. That's so cringy. YouTube. Alright, so look. Got a package in the mail today. This plane is annoying. Back to the video. What we're gonna be doing in this video, got a package from Angelus Direct. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's a shoe paint place where you can buy paints and stuff for your shoes, buy leather paints, suede dye, you know, stuff to help restore shoes and stuff. And I'm a shoe restorer. What we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna pretty soon, and hopefully another video, be restoring the military blue fours. You know, I was thinking, dang, this light is incredible. But you see, military blue fours here. You know, the light is making the shoe look pretty decent. I know you guys see these creases and stuff in it. Suede messed up, paint crack, discoloring on the midsole, bottoms, you know. So what we're gonna be doing is unboxing this package and opening it up. You know what to do. So, already kind of got a little excited, kind of opened the package up a little bit, but it's okay. Didn't fully open it up. Still freshly sealed. I know what I ordered, but I'm just unboxing this for the sole purpose of YouTube. So let's get into it. Shoe trees. Let's open this stuff up. See what the stuff is like. I feel like a kid getting a new present. Huh? Kid getting a new present. Shoe trees fits between a size 6, between a men's size 6 and 13, women's size 4.5 to 11.5. And if you're in the UK, you know, in European country, you can do the conversion yourself. So, yeah. Shoe trees. Angelus paint. I mean, not paint, but Angelus shoe stretch. I'll be using that for the heat gun. Not heat gun, but I'm going to probably be using something like a blow dryer, hair dryer to help out with that. Drop my sticker. Right here, sticker. There you go. Yeah. Leather prepare. Military blue and acrylic white. Can't even see that. Right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for taking your time out to watch this video. Like and subscribe. If you don't like the video, don't like it. Do whatever you want. Do as you please. So, quick recap on everything I got. Easy cleaner kit. Angelus shoe professional shoe stretch. Angelus deglazer, leather prepare. You know, 2 paints, military blue and acrylic white. You guys can see that. This lighting here is tremendously good. Sticker. Dope. Shoe trees. So, like I said again, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm out.